Guys, if you're asking how does digital marketing work, people are saying it's a multi-billion-dollar industry. I don't believe it. Let me tell you the story, guys. I'm going to simplify it for you because this is one of the stories then when I started that actually got me into this industry. And I think you guys are going to love this story. And it's not too long ago, guys. It's in COVID. Um, Mom and dad bought this little boy a guitar, and boom, COVID hit. So now he can't learn to play the guitar. He can obviously play the guitar, but he don't have someone professionally to teach him. And he was searching online, guys, on his phone and so on, and he found a PDF. The other part of the story, a teacher, ex-teacher, music teacher, he took a PDF and he wrote like one chord step by step for any beginner to learn how to play this chord. And this boy found it. In a matter of days, 3 or 4 days, that boy could play this chord, and he ran to his mom and dad and he told him, Mom, Dad, listen here. And ching 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 ching. And the guy was Annie Brand, and the parents were, wow, wow, on your own. He said, No, mommy, I was sitting on my phone, learn this. Come see here. And he showed his phone to them, and they found a PDF. And on this PDF, there was a link, and they clicked the link. Open this teacher, open his complete website with full on training with different music instruments that you can learn on his phone. And they couldn't believe it. Their child was training now on his phone to play guitar. And the other side of the story again, this teacher was making money from his phone in his home. Guys, that's digital marketing. That's the best way I can explain it. When I saw that, guys, I knew there's endless opportunities here in the online space. See you guys in the next one.